what makes S-Skin treatment different from regular facials? So actually, a regular facial is just like cleaning your skin. However, the difference is that at S-Skin, we only use herbal product. In China, where we did our research and our training, they are specializing in herbal medicine, studying plants. Now, in the study, they found out that we can make very effective skin products using this plant. As a matter of fact, one of our partners here, Dr. Lilei and Mr. Yang, who is a couple, are both doctors, and they are actually the researchers and scientists of Materia Medica. So Materia Medica in China is a study of all these herbal plants. And dami-dami nila. And some of these plants are present here in the Philippines. And then so we make skin products out from this herbal preparation. So what we do is we want to restore the health of your skin. No? We do a different technique, which is inspired in China. What is different is that we use herbal preparation. So if you come here, you'll see more of how different it is, no? Kasi ang result niya, nakikita natin agad-agad, even with the first time of treatment. So, do you offer free skin analysis before starting treatment? As a matter of fact, kailangan na uuna talaga ang facial analysis so that nakikita natin ano ba yung face na hinaharap natin, and that after treatment, immediately after treatment, we do another facial analysis so that you know which improved, which did not improve, and what else do we have to do if ever we need to do other things aside from the first thing that we've already advised you with. So, alam mo, skin analysis is very, very important. And you do it before and you do it after. It's like a tool to help not just the doctor, the facialist, the nurse, but most especially you, because a lot of things can be discovered after we do our skin analysis. Who can benefit from S-Skin facials? Everybody can benefit from S-Skin facials, especially those, pag-aralan natin anong mabuti dun sa mga at age of puberty where hormones are, it's all up all together. So, meron ka mga breakouts, and then stressors, no? And then pollution, and then yung pang mga tao na umiinom ng kung ano-anong gamot for maintenance, or nagkaroon ng mga infection, not just on the skin, but systemic infection. Those patients under maintenance medication, those patients who are aging their skin, those patients are exposed to pollution, those patients who are actually at stress. Yung age group natin, pag nag-teenager ka na and you have these breakouts, we really need to do skin cleaning and facials. Now, since we have real doctors here at the clinic, then what we do is we can recommend and we can prescribe medicines for you, how we do it and how we treat you, how we manage you. Sabi nila, oh, Dr. Eileen, how many sessions do I need to see results? First, we do skin analyze. And then we recommend the right management for the first time. And after that treatment, we do another skin analysis. And then so you'll see what improved, what did not. So I can say, after the very first management or after the very first treatment, makakakita ka na ng expected mo na result. How often do you do it? At least every 2 weeks sana if we really need to clean up. Pero kung hindi naman and maintain naman yung skin mo, kutis porcelana ka naman, natural naman yan, at wala namang masyadong kung ano-anong tumutubo at sakit, you can do this once a month. Oh, is it safe for sensitive skin? Very, very safe for sensitive skin. However, since these are still herbal products, and herbal products can be, identified also as a drug, as a supplement, there are people na nagkakaroon sila ng konting skin reaction. So that's why here at S-Skin, we do a thorough history and we ask you if you're allergic to something So what we do is we do skin testing just to be sure. But basically, since all these are herbal, I could say it's very safe, even for sensitive skin. Skin is about joining Eastern and Western medicine all together. And we study all this. So we just don't do skin and face here. At Skin, we have two major services. One is herbal restoration, which is what we call a medical aesthetics. And the other one is Skin and Nature's Point, which is medical acupuncture.